In this video, you'll learn how to book beauty services using the Wecasa platform. By following these steps, you will successfully schedule your desired beauty treatment from the comfort of your home. Start by navigating to the Wecasa website. If prompted, log into your account on the dashboard using your registered email and password. Once logged in, you should see the main dashboard, which features various service categories. Next, locate the beauty category on the dashboard. This section contains an array of beauty services available for booking. Click on Beauty to open the specific options for beauty services. After selecting Beauty, click on Book a Beauty Service. This action will direct you to the dedicated booking page for beauty services, where you can begin the process of scheduling your appointment. You will now need to enter your full address, click on the address input field, and type in your location. This is essential as it allows the professional to know where to travel for your appointment. Once you enter your address, you will see the prices for the services available in your area. Following this, choose the type of beauty service you wish to book. Options may include a manicure, pedicure, facial, or makeup. Select the service that best suits your needs and click on Next to proceed to the next step. Now, you will select your specific service within the chosen category. For example, if you chose manicure, you can select between options like classic manicure or gel manicure. Once you've made your selection, click on the plus sign to add the service to your booking. If there are additional options or duration settings available, set those according to your preferences. After adjusting any options, click on Next to continue to the scheduling phase. At this point, you will choose when you are free for the appointment. Select a day that works for you by clicking on the calendar. Once you have chosen the day, confirm the date by clicking on it. Next, select the hour for your appointment by clicking on the desired time slot. After confirming your time, click on Next to move forward in the booking process. You may encounter a prompt asking if you want to add optional extras. Click on No, keep going if you do not wish to include any additional services. Then you will be asked who is going to benefit from it. Typically, you would select yourself, but choose accordingly based on your situation. Click Next to proceed to the recap of your booking. In this section, you can provide the professional with any additional details regarding your beauty service. This step is optional, but can help tailor the service to your needs. Now, click on your payment method to select your preferred payment option. Ensure that you have your payment details ready to complete the transaction. Finally, click on Book My Session to confirm and finalize your beauty service booking. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your appointment has been successfully scheduled. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.